Hello out there everyone, Old Radio Nut R here. Just want to show you this big box I just got from our friend in Virginia. This is my Galaxy DX-2517 that had been broken down for quite some time, and there's no one around here in southwestern Ohio that wanted to fix it. So I sent it to him in Virginia, and he replaced the finals and several potentiometers, pots that controlled the bias of the finals. He set it to specs. So we're just going to do an unpacking. Chewy box. As you can see, lots of bubble wrap. More stuff on top. Brown paper stuffed all the way around it. The guy knows how to pack stuff. He's had the misfortune of getting stuff off eBay and it arriving to him crushed into pieces. So he knows how to pack a package. As you can see, lots of picking. Okay, here's the radio. It's still wrapped up, so I'm going to let the box go. And show you that this is a bag of what's referred to as snowman poop, or plastic peanuts. See? Snowman poop. Anyway, that's how you pack a box when you're sending it to someone. Here's the radio. Let's get it open. What do you think about that? Galaxy DX-2517. I'm going to bring the camera down and go around it so you can see the paint job that was done on it. A little dusty from being in the package. Beautiful, huh? Anyway, that's my Galaxy DX-2517. Everyone, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.